Welcome to Nextworld Developer Studio, also known as No Code Studio, a comprehensive IDE for building and managing applications, workflows, reports, intelligent solutions, and more, all in one place. No Code Studio is designed to elevate and simplify your development experience. Let's kick things off with a quick tour of the welcome page and navigation bar, while highlighting some of the powerful capabilities you'll find. Welcome page. No Code Studio opens to whichever application or page you previously had open, or the welcome page if you have no pending work. The welcome page provides a quick start option for building an application, as well as easy access to the application, interoperability, intelligence, and workflow home pages. Each home page contains links to related applications as well as quick start buttons for development. For example, when you create an application with Quick Start, the tool creates the new application, table, and data items for you all in one step. Depending on your selections, it can also create objects such as workflow configurations and data import definitions. The options in the navigation bar are your gateway to explore, configure, and customize Nextworld applications and objects. Explore. Search our entire platform for existing objects using Explorer. For example, a search for payables returns a list of relevant objects with payables included in the name. Expand the filter for additional options. We can narrow down the search results by selecting applications from the Type Filter option. Notice that the Explorer pane is organized into two sections: Favorites and Categories. By default, favorites will include commonly accessed object types such as applications, data items, logic blocks, tables, and more. To add a favorite, click Set as Favorite on the object type or drag and drop from the Categories section into Favorites. We can even drag an entire category into Favorites. To remove a favorite, click Remove Favorite or drag the item back into the Categories section. You can open, create, or edit an object directly from Explorer. In the Data Items section, for example, select Open List to open the list of data item definitions with the filter in place, or Create to make a new data item. The Row Action menu offers common actions for an object, such as edit, customize, or copy. Or double-click an object to open it directly in Studio. Double-clicking an application in the list, for example, opens it in Application Builder. Here's a tip for additional space while working. Select Maximize to expand the application to the full width of the screen. Select Restore to return to the default view. You can also create more space by collapsing the Explorer pane. Where used. The Where Used panel helps with finding references to specific objects across our platform. For example, with the Is Used By option selected and typeset to data items, we can find where data items with company in the object name are being used. We see that the search results are organized by object type, applications, tables, and more. We can switch to the Uses option to track what objects are being used by the specified object. Merge requests and branch lifecycles. The next three navigational buttons, Merge Requests, Branch Lifecycles, and Unsaved Work, make up our branch lifecycle management applications. These tools are excellent for managing object changes and lifecycle tasks, seamlessly integrated within No Code Studio. Branch lifecycles are created and used for discrete development projects because object changes made in a branch lifecycle are not visible to users in other lifecycles. This allows you to isolate changes you're making as part of a development effort until everything is complete. View the list form of your lifecycles and branch lifecycles. In the Row Action menu, you can activate, deactivate, or change lifecycles. After development in a branch lifecycle is complete, create a merge request. Use the Merge Requests panel to track, review, and approve changes to objects within a branch lifecycle. When the merge request is approved, all the objects in the branch lifecycle are merged into the base lifecycle. All changes to objects within a branch lifecycle are tracked, including the users who made those changes. The Unsaved Work panel allows you to view objects which you have worked on but have not saved. Double-click an object in the list, or select the pencil icon to edit. Keep in mind that No Code Studio remembers all your open tabs for each lifecycle, so you can easily pick up where you left off by selecting the lifecycle from the My Work list on the Welcome page. The lifecycle you are currently working in is displayed next to the No Code Studio label and in the header navigation bar. To change it, select the Lifecycle branch dropdown in either location, select the desired lifecycle, and select Change Lifecycle. Keep in mind that if the lifecycle changes, the open tabs may change as well. This behavior depends on the Save Settings by Lifecycle option in Studio Settings, which is enabled by default. Tab Management. Use the Tab menu drop-down to manage your tabs and tab groups to increase productivity and stay organized. Available options include Group by Type. Quickly change your tab group setting to Group by Object Types or not. If Group by Type is enabled, the Open List option opens the list form of the group's object type application. If Group by Type is turned off, then we can create our own groups. Create a new tab group by either clicking the Tab drop-down menu and selecting Create New Tab Group, or using a keyboard shortcut when selecting a tab. Rename allows us to change the name of a group. Collapse all. Collapse all the tab groups at once. Expand all. Expand all the tab groups at once. There are several ways to close tabs, including Close, Close all tabs, Close other tabs, Close tabs to the right. If an object has pending work that requires a save, a confirmation dialog will appear, allowing you to either force close the tabs or cancel your action to first save your work. Additionally, you can use a keyboard shortcut when the Tab drop-down menu is open to force close tabs. Note that using this shortcut will force close any tabs that have pending work. Settings. Finally, our Settings panel offers powerful features for configuring and personalizing No Code Studio to suit your preferences. For the purposes of this overview video, we'll highlight some user favorites, but know that there are many ways to tailor the settings in Studio to align with your needs. When tab grouping is enabled, tabs automatically sort into object type groups. For example, the Data Items tab group will include all open tabs with data item objects. Click Close All Tabs to close all open tabs and start or continue your No Code Studio session with a clean slate. Here's a tip: if you have pending records that you've been editing but no longer need, press and hold Shift while clicking Close All Tabs to close all open tabs in Studio, which discards any unsaved changes. The Cache Amount slider allows you to manage how much of the UI is cached in memory on your device, providing you with control over performance based on your needs. Object Types enhances your ability to manage and organize your object types in Studio, so you only see what's relevant to you, and in the desired order in the Explorer and Where Used panels. Use the toggles to customize the object types shown. Drag and drop object types within the list to adjust the display order. In the User Interaction section, customize how No Code Studio behaves during various user actions, such as remembering the tabs that are open for each lifecycle with Save Settings by Lifecycle toggle selected. Thanks for joining us for this tour of Nextworld No Code Studio. If you haven't already, Try out the application Quick Start feature to explore the capabilities of No Code Studio for creating objects.